In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier, beginner to expert tutorial, 5 minutes. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that connects your apps so work happens automatically in the background. We'll build a simple workflow or Zap that reacts to a new email and then creates a folder in Google Drive. You'll see the core skills you can reuse with any apps. Start by signing up or logging into Zapier. If you're new, the free plan is great for testing, and you can always upgrade later if you need more tasks or premium apps. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose Zaps. This opens the Zap editor where every automation has two parts, a trigger that starts the Zap and an action that runs after. Begin with the trigger. Click Trigger to set what kicks things off. Search for and select Gmail as the app. Next, choose an event like New Email. This tells Zapier to watch your inbox for incoming messages. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Gmail account and approve permissions so Zapier can read the specific data it needs. Keep in mind you can limit the scope later with filters if you only want certain emails to run the Zap. After connecting, test the trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent sample email. This step confirms your connection works and shows you the data you can pass to the next step, like subject, sender, and date. Now set the action. Click Action, then pick Google Drive as the app. Choose the action event, create folder. This will make a new folder whenever the trigger fires. Connect your Google Drive account and approve access. In the setup fields, give the folder a name. You can type a static name or, better yet, insert data from the email like the subject, so each folder is uniquely labeled. That makes it easy to organize results automatically. Test the action to create a sample folder in Drive. If it succeeds, you'll see a confirmation with the folder details. If it fails, double check that you selected the right drive, have permission to create folders, and that the folder name isn't empty. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Your Zap is now live and will run automatically going forward. A couple of pro tips: give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later, and keep an eye on the Zap history to troubleshoot any errors and monitor task usage. That's it. You've connected a trigger to an action, tested both, and published your automation.